All right, man. Here we go, man. What's up with it? Do is popping everybody, man. It's Ricky Too Easy tapping in with part 5 of the Wolves FC, the Americas rebuild on FIFA 20, man. Now we gonna go ahead get straight to it, man. Ain't no talking right now. All right, let's go crazy though. All right, man. Not many transfers happen. Not many signings happen at this point. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight to it. All right.
Hello and a warm welcome from the English West Midlands. We find ourselves at Molineux. I'm Derek Ray, and joining me here on the commentary box for complete coverage is Lee Dixon. I'm very excited to bring you the second and decisive leg of this tie. It's Wolverhampton Wanderers up against Sturm Graz.
Well, thanks, Derek. They've got the advantage today after that away win. What do? Do they sit back? I'm sure the home fans will make sure that they push forward and try and get another win.
The initial 11 for Wolves. In goal, it's Rui Patricio. Leandro Dendoncker plays with Willy Bolly in central defence. Ruben Neves plays alongside João Moutinho in the centre of midfield. And Raúl Jiménez is up front. The flag has gone up here, offside the decision. Let's have a look at the initial 11 for the visitors. Looks as though they're going with the belt and braces approach.
5-3-2 or 3-5-2. The midfield will be flooded when they've got the ball. Defensively, those fullbacks will be asked to supply support to their 3 centre-backs. But it does enable you to play 2 strikers up front.
Well, he has to be regarded always as a dangerous opponent, but what should we expect to see from him in this game, Lee?
Well, I love watching him. He's got quick feet, quick mind. He wants you to come close to you so he can get past you. So as defenders normally stand off him, then he's got more time to pick the pass he wants. He normally finds the best one.
Now, let's see what they can do here. Top class defending. Moutinho. Doherty. In possession, Adama. It's got to be! And a goal it is!
Let's
The
go,
opener
baby.
in
Let's
this
go.
game.
Well, keep it tight. That's what both men.
Come on, man. Y'all can't stop him, man. Even though he be missing a lot, I ain't gonna cap. But they can't stop him though.
Well, it's good play. Ian Wright always told me, stand in the middle of the goal. It sounds simple, but you don't have to get a lot of goals from that position.
Well, now on aggregate, 2-0 they lead. Moutinho. Can they convert? And there it is, the goal they wanted for security. They lead by 2 now. They can bring...
Let's go, baby.
Easily.
Let's go. Come on, man. I had that whole play planned out, man. Come on.
Well, as we look at this again, the keeper's every right to ask where his back line was, but 2v1 in the end. He's thinking now, is he going to pass or go round me? He's got no chance.
Pretty convincing looking aggregate score of 3-0.
28, João Moutinho.
Over the touchline for a throw-in.
All right, man. I think we're doing great in this game. They haven't really reached our goal. Oh, hold on.
And he might be in here.
I spoke too
And
soon.
it's gone in.
Well,
I spoke
back in
way
it,
too
Derek,
soon.
I don't know how, because they've been shocking, but you look at the scoreline, 1 goal in it. Who knows what's going to happen in the second half? Half-time around the corner.
Way too soon. All right, let's
On
get it going.
aggregate,
Let's get it going right
it's
here.
3 goals to 1. And 3 minutes will be added on for stoppages.
Of 3 minutes of added time.
It's with Ruben Neves. Raúl Jiménez. Well, it's all gone so swimmingly for them here.
Let's go.
And now
Let's
it's a
go,
matter of
baby.
avoiding
I
any
called
silly
it too.
mistakes.
I called it too, man. I called it too, man. Let's go. Let's go.
Well, what a time to score. The forwards are in absolute dreamland. The defenders slugging their way back to the half-time team talk. They're not going to enjoy this.
Just to confirm the aggregate situation, 4-1 is the score. That is that for the first half here.
All right, man. Right here, we're gonna go straight
Well, there's a good
to the
reason why
second
we're
half right
highlighting
now.
him. He's
Let's
really
go.
dominating in attack in this game. The two teams have switched around and are ready now for the second half. And this is Diogo Jota now.
Wolves are really controlling possession. If you have that much of the ball, you can put pressure on the opposition defence, and they look like they're creaking. That's why they're winning comfortably.
Wonderful challenge, and a throw-in coming up. An unforced error, giving the ball to the opposition that time. Speculative ball fired to the near post. Insufficient guile on the crossing front, you've got to say. Now here's Johnny. Moutinho. Moving into the advanced position. Well, they did have the ball, but...
I remember we're gonna have to make some changes right here.
Slipshod passing.
The referee has indicated there will be a minimum.
Well, quite simply, the cross was too close to the keeper. And just the 1 minute left in normal time here. Well, he's got plenty of space on the flank here. It's there for him. There it is, the final whistle, and that puts the official stamp on it. They are through to the next round.
Well, Derek, what confidence that will give them. A huge margin to go through into the next round. Played very, very well. That confidence...
All right, then, man. So basically, I'm trying to go for Davies. He's Canadian. There's two, actually. David and Davies. Both Canadian. One of them is a center attacking midfielder. The other one is a left back, I think. I think he's a left back. We definitely want to go for them. And let's see how it goes, all right? All right, man. So nothing happened in this little simulation. So we're going to go ahead and get started on the game, all right? And this is against Manchester United, so we're going to have trouble.
And hello to you from Molyneux here in the English West Midlands. I'm Derek Ray, and with me in the commentary position is the former Arsenal and England fullback Lee Dixon. And we've got Premier League action coming right up. It's Wolverhampton Wanderers up against Manchester United.
Yeah, thanks, Derek. Looking forward to a bright, lively start in this one. Quick tempo. Who can be the dominant force in the first 20 minutes? They could get the upper hand in this one.
The initial 11 for Wolves. In goal, it's Rui Patricio. Leandro Dendoncker plays with Willy Bolly in central defence. Ruben Neves plays alongside João Moutinho in the centre of midfield. And the striker is a man who can be a real handful, Raúl Jiménez. Safe pair of hands, did his job. Well, it is without question and slipped through beautifully. Well, they would have been in a decent position there, but offside.
Oh, what a wasted opportunity that is.
Here we go.
Raúl Jiménez has it. That move looked as though it had genuine potential, but it's broken down. Advantage Manchester United. James. Gliding through the gears. It needs an accurate, the right idea with that pass. Now, will they do it from here? And it is the up.
Wow, how, bro?
Well,
I
it's always
even
gonna
called
be
the
a tight
goalie out,
game, but
man.
now all of a sudden, once
Damn.
ahead, things have got to change on both sides.
Oh man, okay.
Top
We gotta go get it. We gotta go get it now. We gotta go get it now.
Perfect. Excellent finish.
So they're playing again. It's Manchester United with the lead here. The ball with Otavio. Aaron Wan-Bissaka. Opportunity to deliver the cross. It's got to be. And a goal here.
How,
for
bro?
Manchester
Hell no, hell
United.
no. I'm not even watching the replay. We gotta go crazy. Fuck. Hell no.
2-0 now.
2-0.
20
Oh, hell no.
goal.
Willy Boni. Johnny.
The fourth official has indicated.
It certainly wasn't a clean
Okay.
tackle. And the
Okay.
referee has got to book him.
Okay. No, we gotta come back. We gotta come back though. Right now, we gotta come back. We gotta come
The
back.
referee
We
has
gotta come
deemed
back.
that to be a bookable offence.
Absolutely. Agree with that one.
The free kick from long range, he didn't miss by much, Lee.
No, I thought the ball would be coming into the box, but long-range free kick is had a go.
All right.
Nemanja Matic has it. And with that, the first half.
All right, man. So with that, basically, we gotta go crazy on the second half. Come on.
Room to manoeuvre on the wing. Electing to cross into the centre. Punched away. Terrific block there. And a shocking pass, really. He has time to play it over. Shaw. Look, Shaw. Chance here.
What?
He is such a
Okay.
free-scoring
Okay.
performance.
Okay. At
Just
this
nothing
point, bro,
the
we gotta go
defenders
crazy.
can do about it, seemingly.
Manchester United.
Fuck no.
We're underway again, and this game was Coutinho. Raul Jimenez. Firing it in.
Whoa! Let's go. I don't know how that happened, but let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Jimenez.
Well, it's brilliant, positive football. That's what the fans pay their money to come and see. What a goal.
I don't know how he even
Well,
struck.
let's take
struck
another
that.
look at that goal,
I thought
shall
he
we?
had him. Ooh. Let's go. I don't know. I don't know how that happened. I just don't know. Go ahead.
No shortage of goals in this match. 3-1.
Tonight, imagination, delivery, execution, top draw performance, chance after chance, a joy to watch.
Back from the... Well, really, that would be meat and drink to most
Wow.
goalkeepers.
Yeah, goalkeeper fully in control there.
Ah, bro.
2 minutes.
The electronic board has been held aloft. 2 additional minutes here.
Oh
Matic
my.
from the ball. Juan Mata.
All right, man. So we basically lost to Manchester United again. So our second Premier game, we've lost to Lancaster United and Manchester United.
Opportunity
It's
to
terrible.
deliver the
It's
cross.
actually terrible.
Well, real excitement here. The signing has been completed, and we're about to see his debut. Will he hit the ground running? The weather has certainly cooperated. It's a perfect day for football here at Goodison Park on Merseyside. This is Derek Ray, joined for commentary by former England international Lee Dixon. I'm very much looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League. It is Everton taking on Wolverhampton Wanderers.
Excited, Derek. Really looking forward to this game. Come on, bring it on.
And the match begins. combined. And breaking at pace with menace. Just drifted into the illegal position, offside, in the opinion of the officials. Well, this is the day. His debut forthcoming, and it's going to be interesting to see what he produces. What do you think we should expect to see from him, Lee?
Well, he wants to impress Derek for sure. How does he do that? Well, by being dynamic, want the ball, demand the ball, run at the fullback, committing, then end product, deliver.
Leon Bailey. Well, the perfect tackle, really. And now a throw-in. Jimenez has it. An incisive pass. It should be. And in it goes.
Let's go. Let's go, baby. Man, come on. Let's go, man. Let's go. We had to get that.
Well, we'll see this again, and it's inches from going wide. It doesn't hit the post and goes in. Keeper is distraught.
Well, the goal again, albeit from a different angle.
Well, all the hard work.
Barely went in,
The
though.
manager
You
knows
feel
a
me?
lot more has to be done to secure this game.
The opening goal of the game then. Useful looking ball. Preferring to go infield and thwarting his opponent in the nick of time. Aware of the threat, solving the problem. Bailey. Without the official word, there will be a minimum of 2 added minutes.
Added time.
Raul Jimenez. Jimenez. Still alive. And Moutinho with it. And here's Neves. A glorious chance. It's still alive. And with that, the first half.
Man, I couldn't do anything right there, man. So basically, we're gonna have to go to the next play.
Well, you might commence it. It's with Moutinho. It's with Ruben Neves. Bailey. Room to manoeuvre. Well, we wondered if this deal was going to be done. In fact, opportunity it is. And the goal gaping at him. And it's gone in. The teams separated by 2 goals now. You cannot say they don't deserve it.
You cannot say we don't deserve it. All right.
Well, you tell youngsters in that position just to hit the target. You can't score unless you do. And on this occasion, he does, and he scores.
So 2-0 now. And we're inside the final 30 minutes. Gray. And the cross into the middle. Well, a sloppy chance to make a game of it here. And they've only gone and applied that finishing touch. And as they kick off again, 2-1 the current state of affairs. Moutinho. It's with Ruben Neves. Johnny. He has plenty of support. Raul Jimenez. And Moutinho with it. Doherty. Back from the byline. Cody. And the ball with BAILY. Johnny. Leon Bailey. Plenty of running room in the wide position.
Well, there's a saying in football, Derek, that you always get one more chance. They need that chance right now. The fans feel it might be coming too.
Raúl Jimenez has it. The ball with Podence. It needs an accurate cross. Shot attempted. Simple save for the keeper.
Well, he had to pick the flight of the ball up, that was all. Got behind it. Good save.
It's with Ruben Neves. BAILY. Great opportunity. Using his physical strength to shield it. Can he take advantage? It could be up for grabs. Well, good defending. Clattered out of there.
Wow, Derek, well, the goalkeeper's done his job there. He's kept his team in it. Now they've got to go up the other end and try and equalise in this game.
Gliding through the gears. Lucatinha. Bernard. Targets available. Cross comes in. Well, this late corner could represent their last chance to equalise. It's going to be a double substitution. And delivering, Sigurdsson. Another corner.
There will be a minimum of 2 minutes of added time.
Corner kick played in. Well, that's the end of that for now. Will they get themselves level here? Well, the post getting in the way there. And the referee says that is all for today.
That is all for the day, man. All right, man. I hope you enjoyed that. Rick C2 Easy tapping out, man.